Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making stuffed bell peppers. Now I do have a recipe for stuffed bell peppers that I made way long ago, so I'm kind of updating it a little bit. So what I've got going over here is I've got about a half a cup of chopped onions and some cremini mushrooms, or actually these are baby bellas, about 4 of them that I've sliced up. So they've been going for a couple minutes. I'm going to add a couple cloves of garlic, and we're just going to let this saute for a couple minutes, and we're just going to start adding our ingredients and stuff the peppers. And this is something that's so quick and easy, and you can definitely have these for a few days. They keep very well, so and they're really delicious and healthy. So we're going to let this go for a couple minutes, and then we're going to continue layering flavors and ingredients. So we've got these sauteed pretty well. Now we're going to add in some of our other ingredients. I've got 1 can of Italian tomatoes that are chopped. I've got 3/4 of a cup of garbanzo beans. And I'm going to add in about a cup of rice. And then for spices, I've got Italian seasoning, some dried parsley, salt and pepper, and some onion powder. So we're just going to let these cook for a little bit, let all the flavors meld together. So I've got my beautiful filling here, and then I've got a green pepper, a red pepper, and a yellow pepper. This was a leftover one, so you can cut them either way, lengthwise or this way. Doesn't matter. I don't pre-cook my peppers, I just let them cook in the oven. So I'm going to just fill these. I've got my oven preheated to 350, and they'll be in there for about 40 minutes, depending on how soft you want your pepper. If you like them more, blistery, you can leave them in there longer, but we'll check it after about 35 minutes and then see. So we're going to just start stuffing our peppers. And it's very easy. And I like to fill them all and then go back and really top them off, because I like my peppers stuffed. So you could probably do another pepper. There's enough for another pepper. All right, I think those are pretty stuffed. Then I like to sprinkle a little breadcrumbs on there before I put them in the oven. Nice little crunch. And then we're going to top them with my plant-based cheese sauce when we're all done, and that just so good. So I'm going to put these in the oven, and then I'll see you back when these are done, and we'll top them with the cheese sauce and give them a taste. Okay, all done. So here's what they look like. Just popped out of the oven, a little bit brown on the top. And it was about 35-40 minutes. So I have a little bit of my plant-based cheese sauce. I have a video on this on my channel. I'll link that. And then I'm just going to drizzle some on here. Okay, going to go in for a taste. Oh, perfect. Put a little of that cheese sauce on there. Got a mushroom. Here we go. Dang, that's good. That cheese sauce is perfect. Little crunch from the breadcrumbs. Oh, really flavorful. You're gonna love this one. And I hope you give it a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. and stay safe, wash your hands. Till next time, thank you.